Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a hair growth hack. So this method is mainly used in aromatherapy for its stimulating properties. It stimulates proper blood flow to the scalp, ensuring proper delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. As a result, the hair follicles are nourished and begin to grow significantly. Dull and dry hair is a common problem that affects both men and women. Free radicals are everywhere, and if we do not have the proper protection, we're bound to experience the effect. So what is the secret hack, you may ask? So bergamot essence is rich in antioxidants and antimicrobials that help shield the hair and the scalp. The antioxidants also strip the hair of the dirt and the chemicals that are drying the hair out, revealing healthier and shiny hair. It also cleans the scalp. All those hair care products can build up in the scalp, clogging the pores. This can also lead to issues such as eczema and acne. It can also condition the hair because it's rich in fatty acids and can tame frizzy hair with its conditioning and antiseptic properties. It relaxes the scalp, and perhaps the most notable feature of bergamot essence is its calming effect. So what I do is simply add 5 to 10 ml of bergamot essence to a 400 ml bottle of shampoo and conditioner. I hope you enjoyed this simple and almost effortless technique on how to grow your hair. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what more videos such as this one you will enjoy.